In this lesson, we are looking at completing number patterns. Let's look at some examples. We're asked to complete the table given the rule. In our first table there we have x and y values, and we need to complete the y values. The rule is y equals 5x. So there's our rule, y equals 5x, which means y equals 5 times x. Now our x values, we're starting with 0. So when x equals 0, if we substitute, we get 5 times 0, which is 0. So our y value is also 0. Now moving on, when x equals 1, y equals 5 times 1, which is 5. When x equals 2, y will equal 5 times 2, and that of course is 10. When x equals 3, y will equal 5 times 3, is 15. And we're jumping up, x equals to 10, y will equal 5 times 10, and that of course is 50. So we've completed the table there, given the rule y equals 5x. Our second table, we have a new rule, y equals 3x plus 2, and that means y equals 3 times x, and then we add the 2. So let's consider our x values. When x is 0, y will equal 3 times 0, that's 0, and then we need to add 2, so we get 2 then. When x equals 1, y will equal 3 times 1, which is 3, and then we need to add 2, so we get 5. When x equals 2, y will equal 3 times 2, which is 6, then add 2, we get 8. Now when x is 3, y equals 3 times 3, 9, plus 2 is 11. And when x equals 10, y equals 3 times 10, which is 30, and then add 2, we get 32. Excellent. Well, that concludes our lesson. Good luck with your questions.